Thank you for watching. This is IWC in 60 seconds. IWC started in 1868 by an American, a former Civil War soldier who went to make his mark in Schaffhausen. IWC has a lot of watches, but for this video, let's just focus on probably their icons. Number one, the Portuguese Chronograph. This is one of the first wristwatches that the company actually made. And even now, it stands as probably their most iconic watch. Also, when you get into the dive watches, they have the Aquatimer in various finishes. The Aquatimer has the internal rotating bezel as well as a pretty ingenious removable strap system with the rubber straps. Also, probably my favorite in the whole range is the Ingenieur line because it was inspired by some of the watches that Gerald Genta did in the 70s, where what you have is a watch with a integrated looking bracelets. So if I'm shopping IWC, I'd be looking at either the Aquatimer or the Portuguese or the Ingenieur. But wait, even more, probably what people go to IWC for the most is their pilot's watches. They were one of the original manufacturers of pilot's watches for the German Luftwaffe. So the IWC Big Pilot, definitely a popular one there, but take a look at their website. They got a lot of good watches in that catalog. This has been IWC. Thank you for watching.